Okay. You guys hear me?
Yes.
All right. This is State of Michigan versus Randolph Paulson, case SP 107-0356. Mr. Paulson, sir, could you state your name for the record?
Randolph Paulson.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for a trial date. The people are not ready to proceed. This matter would be dismissed without prejudice. Case is dismissed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Welcome. Any questions, concerns?
Nothing to do on our part at all. Just put it in the file and tuck it away.
That's it.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Sir.
Yes.
Who am I speaking with?
My name is Leonard DeGrande. I'm the owner of American Fence. My name is on the ticket as well. That's why I'm here.
Okay, I just got to put it for the record. We're recording.
Yep.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. LeGrande and Mr. Paulson.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Then I got Lauren Shulman.
He's from Meridian, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Shulman, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good. Good, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to call Mr. Meridian's cases. State of Michigan versus Joseph Meridian, case U585-60520 and U585-72420. Sir, could you put your appearance on, please?
Yes, Lauren Shulman on behalf of Mr. Meridian.
All right, looks like there's a recommendation from the people to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, you object?
No, I don't. Actually, we have a signed stipulation for a dismissal with prejudice. I think that that'll be submitted to the court, though. I've returned it to the city.
Okay.
And good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn with the City of Detroit. Yes, this matter has already been adjudicated from a previous matter. I'm not quite sure if the stipulated dismissal is in there, though. But we will dismiss with prejudice.
Okay, yeah, I just have the order or the recommendation to dismiss without prejudice, but this matter will be dismissed with prejudice based on Mrs. Horn's recitation. Case is dismissed with prejudice.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is there anything further, Mr. Shulman?
No, I don't think so.
Ms. Horn?
Nothing further. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you all very much. Have a good one.
Have a good day.
You too. Mr. Haddad, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Let me call your case. This is TN Foods Incorporated case, State of Michigan versus TN Foods Incorporated case X375429-1. Mr. Haddad, can you put your appearance on?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Issa Haddad on behalf of the defendant TN Foods in this matter. Today is a date and time set for a pretrial and a hearing. I've had an opportunity to discuss this matter with the prosecutor. The offer from the prosecution is to dismiss the misdemeanor charge and reduce the civil infraction to defective equipment. And with that being said, I would like to avail the defendant of these offers.
Okay, 1 second here.
Now, my client was online, and then they because it was reduced to a civil infraction only. Do I need to get them back in here, or can we handle this by waiving their presence?
No, we can handle it ourselves. I just need a statute for the defective equipment civil infraction. 1 second here.
Okay.
Ms. Mack, was there an offer sheet in the file? Well, I have the files. I don't have one with me. So let me double check real quick. I'm gonna hold tight.
Which one is that one for, Judge?
10 foods.
Oh, if it's nothing in the file. He did speak to the state prosecutor, so it probably wasn't one in the file.
One second here. Is the state prosecutor still here?
No, you need me to get him, Judge?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Okay, thanks. Okay, he's going to zoom back in, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Miller, can you hear me?
I can, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing well. Sir, I'm here with Mr. Haddad on the representing TN Foods. We had an offer in this matter to an amended charge on the civil infraction to defective equipment. Is that your offer?
Yes, Your Honor. My understanding, based on my own brief research, was that the ticket as issued and the defective equipment ticket carried similar fines and costs as both being civil infractions.
Sir, do you have a MCL code or for the defective equipment?
I do not offhand. One moment, Your Honor.
And while I got you, I know you made an offer on Corrigan Oil as well. I probably need the
The one I looked up, and I'm not sure if it's the right one, is 257.715.
715.
It's the maintenance of equipment on vehicles. And I'm briefly looking at it. I believe that is the citation for it, but I'm not 100% sure.
As you all can see, that I'm new to the business, license docket, so I gotta double check all this.
You and me both, Your Honor. That is my understanding as well, that citation carries the defective equipment charge. I don't know if there is a necessary different citation because it is a commercial vehicle.
And counsel, this is Tamika Horn with the city. I'm not sure if you are in the SOS index. It's under section 3400. There are about 30 ones that you can cite, and they're all 0 points. So I'm not sure if you're in that index.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you.
I use it all the time, so I just want to help counsel with that.
Yes, very much so appreciated.
One second. All right, Mr. Haddad, you have the authorization to take a plea on your client's behalf?
Yes, I do.
All right, then. I am going to enter the plea to the amended charge of defective equipment as to count 2 in this matter. Dismiss count 1 pursuant to the agreement. Assess a fine of, I believe that's $140.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm going to ask for 7 days of pay just so it can be updated in the system.
All right, we'll do
Have
14.
time to make that payment.
Okay, so today is the 17th, just by March 31st.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Mr. Miller, but yeah, before we leave, I've got a, what's that case?
Oregon Oil.
Oil?
Yes,
Did you make an offer on that?
I did.
It looks like, what's the offer?
So the original charge was to an overweight.
Yes.
After speaking with the representative for the company, we agreed to reduce that to a misload, which I believe is under the same, let me see. Yes. There we go. I'm just trying to find the MCL for it. Oh, here we go. Yes, so I believe it is still within 257724 for the overweight statute as a civil infraction, and I believe that it just carries a lower fine.
I'm sorry, I'm reading this MCL now. 1 second.
Oh, yeah, I want to talk to him.
Okay, Mr. Miller, you're gonna help me out. It indicates that the fine was for overweight for $6,420, and I'm trying to figure out how they got to that amount, and if the amount is recalculated with the with the different fee schedule for the amended statute. Do you have a fine worked out?
I do not have one worked out, Your Honor.
Well, I'm gonna hold off on this, and I'll put you back in the room with Corrigan Oil, so you guys can figure out exactly what's gonna be owed on this.
Okay, sounds great, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. How you doing, sir?
Good.
My name is Judge Williams, and I'm in the main room with the attorney for the state, Mr. Miller. Sir, I'm gonna put you both in a breakout room one more time. I think this is just gonna be just some discreet. The officer's not here on this case. Am I correct, Mr. Miller?
That is my understanding, Your Honor.
Okay. If you guys can agree on an amount, then then I'm fine with that. We'll take it from there. So 1 second, let's see.
We can do it right in front of you, Your Honor. I'm easy going.
Whatever you guys are more comfortable with. Mr. Miller, do you want to do this here or do you want to move to the room?
Oh, I guess he went to the room.
I guess he went to the room.
All right, let me figure out how to do it.
Okay.
I hit leave, I guess. Oh, breakout rooms.
Just say join or
It doesn't. It didn't come up on any of them.
no?
No.
I wish I had more information for you.
I wish I did too, Your Honor. Hang on, I'll grab my IT guy a minute.
Appreciate it.
And Judge, the officer is not on here on that case, never checked in. Just so you know.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right. We're gonna try to figure this out, Your Honor.
Okay. Once.
He's trying to get me to a breakout room to. Okay. So what's now? Do I hit breakout rooms? I honestly haven't used this yet. All right. I'm gonna do them now, Judge. I think I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a formal hearing. The officer never checked in.
Correct. Oh, correct, Judge.
Judge, you don't need me, do you? Sorry, I was on the phone for a second.
What's that? I'm sorry.
I was on the phone there for 2 seconds. You didn't call my name, did you?
I didn't.
Okay,
Mr. Hill, are you house counsel or do you have
host counsel.
Okay, cool.
Did you need me, Judge? Sorry.
I'm fine.
Okay. Hello. What is your name? You probably got rescheduled. You got rescheduled, so probably to May the 6th because you're not on my docket. Yeah, you can always go on the court's website and look at it. Yeah, just put your name. I'm not sure if it'll be like an inquiry or something, or a case lookup or something like that. You put your name in. You do? Do you have your ticket?
I'm gonna do Hazame.
And spell your last name.
You said Hazame?
Hazima.
Oh, I see.
Hazima. Mr. Holly,
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good.
Okay, let me call you a guy. State of Michigan versus Ahmad Hazima. Case X3732206. Today is the day set for a pretrial.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mustafa Hawili, P number 83817. Excuse me, on behalf of Ahmed Hazimi, I'm actually covering for attorney Ali Hamoud. I already discussed with the prosecutor an offer that we're ready to accept. The offer is to dismiss the license ticket and to plead responsible to the seatbelt ticket.
Okay. Well, then I'm going to dismiss the license ticket, enter a plea to count 2, violation of the seatbelt law. Believe that's a $65 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can your client take care of this by the 31st?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you very much.
You have a good day, Your Honor. Take care.
Too, Mr. Williams. Thank you for your patience.
Tomorrow, 8:30 tomorrow. We'll do your case tomorrow.
Okay, I would note, Mr. I'm sorry for Corrigan Oil, sir. What's your name?
DeVries, sir. David DeVries, sir.
Okay, I would note that today is the date set for a formal hearing, and the officer never showed up. I'm inclined to dismiss the case. You know, if that's your option. I don't know if they're going to refile it or not. But
I'll take a dismissal, but I talked to the prosecutor. I said I'd settle like for $500 fine to make it go away, even up to $1,000 for the misload. Because if the guy had our accident on, we would have been only like 1,100 pounds overweight. So I'm a retired trooper, so I kind of take care of these things for us. But if you want to dismiss it, I'd be a happy man.
Fair enough. This matter, let me recall the case, Corrigan Oil, case C022704. Today is the day set for a formal hearing. The officer has failed to appear. This matter be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I appreciate it, and have a beautiful St. Patrick's Day.
You too. Have a good one.
Thank you, one and all. Bye.
Bye. So, Mr. Miller, you got and I don't know what's happening with this case. GFL Environmental, was there an offer on that matter?
There was their attorney. I spoke with their attorney. Let me pull up that docket.
Oh, maybe did we lose Mr. Fish?
That was Mr. Fish, yes. Did you already speak with Mr. Fish?
No, he was just in the room. I thought maybe I may have removed him or something. Let's see who this is on the iPhone. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. This is Michael Fish with GFL.
Okay.
I had to get off of my other one because I was having some problems. So I came in on my iPhone.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Fish. This is C022609, State of Michigan versus GFL Environmental. Today is the date and time. Is this a pretrial? 1 second here.
I believe
yes, it is. But yeah.
All right. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jordan Miller for the people, P84723.
Michael Fish on behalf of GFL Environmental 34868.
Okay. Mr. Fish, how we're proceeding today?
We've had an opportunity to talk with the prosecutor, and we've agreed to dismiss count 2, which I think is the spilling count, and we've agreed to plead responsible to the overweight with reduced fines and costs in the amount of 70% of the fine, which I think, Judge, is
4,260.
That's the original amount. We're due 70% of that, which I think is 2,982.
Okay, Mr. Miller, is that your understanding of? Was that what your offer was?
That was the terms of the offer. I don't know about the calculation. I have not done that, but I believe that Mr. Fish is likely correct, and that is a accurate representation of our agreement.
Okay, 1 second. All right, Mr. Fish, could you, you have the authority on your client's behalf to accept the plea to count one?
Yes, I do, Judge.
Okay, well then I'm gonna enter a plea to count one, the overweight access. And I'm gonna set a fine at $2,982, which is 70% of the original cost.
And can we get 30 days to get those funds to the court, please, Judge?
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss count two. And Mr. Fish, if your client can take care of this by April 28th, 2021, be greatly appreciated. Is that enough time for you, sir?
That is enough time. We do these things online and it'll probably be done before that.
Okay. But if there's nothing further, then this matter is concluded.
Thank you, Judge. Much appreciated.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's you as
Okay,
well.
thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye. Mr. Miller, are you in exams or district courts? Is that your division?
Yes, I am in the, I guess the division is technically called screening and district courts. I was in exams very briefly, and I've now been assigned for the time being to covering the traffic dockets as well as the misdemeanor docket for Judge Austin Garrett.
Okay. Are you working with Van Mark?
Yes, she is the principal attorney for this division. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah,
She's a legend.
a legend.
Yes. You talking about Liz?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Listen, just do whatever she does.
It's the
I
best advice you can get.
Honestly, and I'll tell you this, Jordan, she is fair, right? Like she sees it both sides. She does her job, but she gets it. Sorry, I didn't mean to hijack your conversation, Judge, but Liz is awesome. Sorry.
No, I totally agree. You know, Liz was my partner trial in law school.
It's awesome.
And
Really?
we started at the prosecutor's office together.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she's fantastic. All right, that's it for me. I got nothing else for this morning.
Okay, thanks, Judge. As always, you work me hard, but I appreciate it.
Thanks, Ryan.
All right, take care, everyone.
Thanks,
All
Judge.
right, you
Thanks,
too.
everyone. Have a nice day.
You too, Jordan.
Have a good one, Your Honor.
All right, take care.
Yeah, I just
Prosecutor
have
made me do math.
I know. Okay. Oh man. Whew.
I wanted
But
to
I
tell
had
him
I did have it figured out though. Like, yeah, that was right.
I had to look it up.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I just used the calculator. I wasn't doing all that other stuff.
Well, I looked it up on the calculator, but yeah, I don't know. I tried to gently say that I knew a supervisor, tell him to get it together. He should have all this stuff done. But he seems like a nice guy.
Yeah, he's pretty good. He's efficient. He did talk to everyone.
Yeah, I know.
I just didn't write down what they said, and I should have done that. But
No, that's not your job. That's his job. Yeah, I mean, we appreciate the help, but he should know that stuff.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. So let's see. I'll be back about 2 o'clock for the afternoon.
We don't have an afternoon, Judge.
Oh, okay.
Come tomorrow if you want.
No, thank
Right. Oh, don't do that to me, Judge.
No, thank you. Who do you guys have? You guys have a signed docket already, though.